So you want to start working out and you're trying to figure out what the best workout split is for you. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the different types of workout splits and which one you should go with. What's going on YouTube? My name is Street and I'm here to provide you actionable fitness tips that you can apply in your next workout. Depending on how often you want to work out, you have a couple choices you can work with. 1 to 2 times a week? Next. 7 times a week? Yeah, we're not gonna do that either. You have the 3-day workout split, the 4-day workout split, and last but not least, the 5-day workout split. Let's start with the 3-day. You will most likely start with this split if you are in the beginning stages of your workout journey. There are multiple ways you can perform this split. Let's go over these different type of variations. The first variation of the 3-day workout split is the full body workout. Now, an advantage of this is that you are hitting multiple muscle groups multiple times a week, and you are getting adequate rest in between. A disadvantage possibly is you might have longer gym sessions if you're trying to hit all of the muscle groups that you desire. And if you don't have that amount of time, then you might want to work out this workout split. And we're going to call this the push-pull leg split. What is the push-pull leg split? It's where you break up the muscle groups based on the type of movement that it is. Let's say, for example, you're attempting a dumbbell bench press. When the dumbbell is towards your chest, hitting your chest, what are you doing trying to raise it up? You're trying to push it up. That's what we would define as a push type of movement. Or if you want to talk about a dumbbell curl, where you're pulling the dumbbell up in order for you to contract your biceps. That's what you would call a pull type of movement. There are certain muscle groups that are always categorized as push type movements and other muscle groups that will always be categorized as pull type movements. So you would have chest, shoulders, and triceps on your push day, for example, and you would have your back and your biceps on your pull day, and then legs would be on your usual leg day. That is a little summarization on what you can expect if you are planning on working out 3 days a week. If you have some more time on your hands or you want to increase the frequency of your workouts and take your next steps in building muscle, then you can also try out the 4-day workout split. Just like the 3-day split, the 4-day split also has different variations that you can work with. One variation, we are working individual muscle groups once a week. This time around, we have reduced the amount of rest days that we have. Now we're gonna have 3. This split would include chest and triceps on one day, back and biceps on another day, legs on one day, and shoulders on another day. You could have these days spread out in such a cycle where, say for example, you do chest and triceps one day, have a rest day, back and biceps the next day, have another rest day, and just keep it on going. Or you could have it on a set schedule. Personally, I don't care for this one because I'm only able to hit muscle groups once a week, and in order for me to achieve the maximum amount of muscle growth possible, it's been proven working that group twice a week will give you the best results. Which is why you could do this next workout split where you have upper body and lower body days. With that, you are able to hit the muscle groups that you need twice a week to give you the best chance for muscle growth. And you would still have the same amount of rest days as the previous split. Hitting muscle groups twice a week will help you take your training and your muscle building to the next level. With this increase in frequency, it's important to take note of what your body needs. If you need extra rest, go ahead and throw in an extra rest day. Or if you are finding out the volume is too much, then just go back to the 3-day workout split. Your goals are specific to you. Last but not least, we have the 5-day workout split. And this one is not for the faint of heart. You may have noticed every type of workout split, we've lost a rest day. And with this one, you're only gonna have 2 rest days. That's a lot of volume to work with, which is exactly why it's important to slowly progress based on what your body needs and what type of challenge you're looking for. The first 5-day workout split variation is typically called the bro split, where you do one muscle on a single day. So you would have your chest day, your back day, your shoulders, and your arms. I will say it is suggested to space out your chest and your shoulder days this because your shoulders are indirectly being worked while you are doing pressing type of exercises. So if you do shoulders immediately after chest, your shoulders are still gonna feel the fatigue from the previous day. Once again, this is a workout split that I'm not necessarily a fan of because I'm only able to hit a specific muscle once a week, which is why this next split will absolutely be a next level up in my opinion, where we're going to combine push, pull, and leg days with upper and lower body days. So with those, we have 5 workout days where we are able to hit different muscle groups twice a week, and we still have the same amount of rest days. I wouldn't move into this one immediately because of the reduction of rest days that we have, as well as the increased amount of volume that you will be doing over this time span. So the question still lies, what is the best workout split? The answer is whatever fits your current lifestyle. Your fitness goals are your own. What someone else is working towards may not be what you're doing, what your goals are, and that's okay. One statement that I will share with you that has helped me a lot is this is a marathon, not a sprint. Take your time, take care of your body, and have fun with it. Speaking of legs, I actually just made a video in terms of how to best utilize the leg press, and that video will be over here if you're interested in watching it. That'll do it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully you got a little bit more insight on the different type of workout splits that you can do and what will work for you based on your schedule, your time, and what your fitness goals are. If this video brought you any value, please leave a like on the video so that others will be able to find it, and it will help the YouTube algorithm be a little bit more happy and share my video out there. If you want to stay up to date with any new videos I post on the channel, make sure you subscribe so you will get all the notifications on whether it's fitness videos, food recipes, all of my content. This is your man Street. Go get those gains, and I will see you next time.